Greetings and salutations, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing a very cool modern marvel of last century, but conveniently sped up for today. We are going to be taking out this very beautiful box over here that seems like it's all green screen technology, but when you meet me over here in top of the Green Valley in my other set, you'll see the situations for as far as the way that things are going to be going for this. I thought this was super cool because it basically charges almost a majority of things while charging, even has an actual wireless out for most phones that have that adaptability on top of there. But let's go ahead and get it out of the box and we'll talk about some of the fun facts. So on top of the QI wireless that I mentioned, it comes with a really cool, for as far as adaptable portion to put on there. It even comes with a little key fob. I thought that was really cool. Like, I've been needing one of these, and quite frankly, I didn't think that it was really necessary for this because I'm not going to hang it off my backpack. But the QI, if you need to charge it directly, is back there for your wireless. And on top of here has a very nice, hefty, sturdy, like it almost feels like the very industrial hard drive like drop ones, because it does have a shockproof, it does have a rainproof, and the solar energy is supposed to be pretty decadent for as far as the way it's going to end up charging. Now Type C is going to be a big thing that actually directly has on top of here. Power meter on the back, as you can see there's 3 where it should be 4 for as far as the lit directly on top of here, and the ports that you have directly conveniently right here, which are pretty cool. So that's where you have your charging port if you want to directly go inside of there. I'll bring it a little bit closer in your USBs. Now they don't appear to be 3.0, but let's go ahead and scope what the information is on that. To give some basic examples up above where your capacity could be with some devices, and your Type-C is on the side, you're going to notice that it has a lot of ports that are really cool, conveniently hidden. So 2 of the USBs, it doesn't seem to be anything. It is a high speed, so you're going to get your 5 volts with 3 amps, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be indicated with that blue awesome USB, but why would you really need it? As long as it's got amperage and voltage, you should be fine. And on top of that, you got your micro in the center for the input. So just in case you wanted to charge it, you weren't getting enough sun, or you wanted to go on a quick trip with a full charge and then charge it on your go. That's what I would probably go. Now, one of the cool things I like personally is the flashlight function. Now you can press it once and it will instantly tell you what's going on for as far as the light. Now if you double tap, that's going to be like your success for light. It's like you're telling a spooky story. This light is awesome. Pretty bright, actually. Shouldn't point it at my eyes. But besides that fun stuff, right, this is a great outdoor situation. For me, what I'm utilizing this is I'm going cross country with my bro. Across the USA. That's gonna be cool. From New Jersey all the way over here. So I figured, why not grab a nice little solar charger just in case. So be prepared and be safe is the way I look at it. So I will have a review on it later on, like what ends up happening like 90 days down the road if it holds its charge and other fun stuff. But you are new to the network, you can always subscribe. It's absolutely free. Helps the creator. And if you want to purchase this item, you can use the affiliate link down below. Helps me, and it doesn't do anything past what you're normally doing. You just buy stuff from Amazon and then they give me a cut of it. No one loses. Pretty cool. But if you are interested in that, you can check out some of the links down below. But if not, have a very wonderful day. Stay safe out there. And if you subscribe today, who knows, maybe, just maybe, this will be an Optimus Prime color. That'd be cool. Or maybe I can just spray paint. I have a really cool friend that's like really into that. We can make like a nerdy solar charger prop, Optimus Prime. That'd be kind of cool, a little prop. But anyways, everyone, have a very nice day. I'll see you guys and gals in the near future, and stay classy.